Let's welcome Princess.
It's a dream come true, Biggie. I'm excited generally.
The game has begun. You just have to play with your head.
I don't like any guy for now. I've been able to manage myself.
I don't want to be friends again. Please.
Was I friends with you? I was never friends with you.
I think this whole problem has to do centers around the kissing scene.
I felt in the princess. You can't blame me if I make food and then there's no pepper in it. I can assist. Who will come to my rescue? I have lost everything. Since I started dribble, no go there. My friend. I deliberately, since I came to this house, refused to cook. I feel I've tried, though, honestly.
I'm a winner, I'm a